All right, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Israel Matseke Zulu. Welcome to Israel Matseke Zulu podcast. My brother kunjani?
Mfowethu man.
Hayi man. Ngikwazi ngokopho. Abaningi vele bakwazi ngokopho. Namhlanje ngifuna ukwazi igama lakho la ngempela ke manje.
Igama nguThemba Christopher Sibanyoni.
Oh, Themba Christopher Sibanyoni.
Yeah.
Ukhulele kuphi?
Engikhulele endaweni ezihlukahlukene man.
Yeah.
Ilento ukuthi masikhula thina bengekho impempe, bathi impempe yalapisa.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ngikhulele eSpring sekwaThema, lokishini bathi Highland.
Yeah.
Ngaba seSoweto Ezola 1. Kula kuzalwa khona iTime vele.
Okay.
Ngaba eMpumalanga kwenye indawo bathi kuse kwaMhlanga mara kahle kahle kwaGafontein.
ESkwaGafontein.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ilanga lokho ngicicile bese ke iTime original la kwaMhlanga uyalingana.
Oh, kwaMhlanga uyalingana. Ngispanile nawe kakhulu.
Kakhulu.
Mina ngikwazi as a dancer.
Thank you.
999.
Thank you.
Angitshele take us on a journey. How was your journey with 999?
Yeah. To make it simple, it was fantastic because besafika egamini siba exposed to sunlight or sibe chlorophyll ngebiology term.
Yeah.
Sibe chlorophyll sibona abantu esingabazi sicela ukubona ema TV uthekithiki yo koti nani. Yeah, ngoba mnandi kwaba nje manje uyazi umuntu makaloke abona abantu each and every time. Kuba nale moment yokuthi right now I need to grow myself.
Yeah.
Maye sekumele nami ngikhule.
Yeah.
Angeke ngihlale endaweni eyi1, angeke ngibe na 13 for 7 years.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Makuphela 7 years mangabe ngina 13 sekuna 20.
Yeah.
So sekumele kube khona into ekhulayo kubonakala ukuthi sekakhulile manje.
Yeah.
Yes.
So acting, wangena ku acting.
Yes. But not straight from dancing to acting.
Yeah.
Ngasuka ku dancing ngayenza camera.
Okay. Behind the scene.
Behind the scene ngishaya nama stills ila ngicale khona ke ukufunda kakhulu ngecamera. Ukufunda kakhulu ngecamera. Ngithe ngisafunda ngecamera kanjalo. It will go back now to dancing. Njobe ngisajiva bese ngincedisa ukubhala ingoma ngapha e999.
Okay.
Ngoba isicamtho into yasegazi.
Yeah.
Isicamtho sesitedela noma kunini.
Yeah.
Ngathi mangincedisa ukubhala ingoma ngaba captured by the people abeza bazoshutha ama music video. Khona ingabe bathi uAsh.
Yeah.
Behlale ngiseduze kwa Ash so. Makashutha yena iboss avela uboss atamafukati. uAsh manje uyilabantu mabashutha ulokuya explain ukuthi okay lana yabona if you can get smoke nani amsengicala yakubeka okay lento ngayenza le cala kwami ubamba kwami camera.
Yeah.
Then from there e999 umuntu engadibana naye uJamela.
Yeah.
Jamela vele bekasakhula.
Yeah.
Uyabona. Jamela wangi-introducer kuMandla N.
Yeah. Mandla N.
Yeah, uJamela noMandla N they are partners so.
Yeah.
Vele bakhula bonke.
Yeah.
So mina mangiventure from dancing to
acting
to camera operator.
Yeah.
uMandla N uloku masidibana ema-eventini. Athi but ndoda you've got something special. Okay my brother. Until 2009 azongibizela iSamsokolo season 1. Afonela uJamela beyakanginawo amanamba wabafonela uJamela. Jamela ufuna ugogo bangibize vele kuSamsokolo ngifike kuSamsokolo siphethe ubaba uMfukeng lapha.
Yeah.
Bethu uMandla Nduna uzibalanga bendicetshwa. Hayi yo ngimamarele. Angimamarele ngibe ikati ejezini vele. Ngeke ulibulala ikati makunejezi. Ngibe ikati ejezini ngishayile emnandi. Uqala kwami ukubona ukuthi hayi man. Leto ye-acting ikhona man. Within. Okay ngase ngiyaphatha ke kumama kaThemba uYvonne Chaka Chaka and uYvonne Chaka Chaka ngize ngidibane naye uJamela futhi
yeah
yes ngaphaphatha kuye wangifaka eTechnicon eSoweto eJabulani bangenza isidrama lapho nalapho mara besenza ngama part time zithe mase 2011 uMandla angibize futhi sekangibizela isithi sesila yachija yaba sesitop la lapho angisadlali lo muntu bekimdlala kuSamsokolo bengi umuntu ogeza ama-taxi beyithi bayi-taxi rank beyiqala ngobuso bami kuSamsokolo sengivela ngisikhothani laba bachitha ama-ultraman aphansi because ikhothani abantu abajayivayo by right but abantu sebebazi ngokuchitha ama-ultraman uMandla wathi kahle into engokubizele yona ngikubizela ukujayiva ukungena kwami kusithi sesilaphi ayabesukile azange sabheke emuva
zathi Deep City
ku-Deep City ke lapho ke kunale advert lena mara kusi advert abaningi mhlawumbe bayazi wona mhlawumbe uyazi kunenye advert besimamela ku-Radio Zulu Malindi kaNtuli bathi ijuba liqhwele ukunambitheka nami bengiyenza kanjalo ngithi mangibheka abantu aba-actor ngithi ijuba liqhwele ukunambitheka ngathi ngalibamba ngelimunye hayi behambile
and then usibhale noSuffocate
Sibhale noSuffocate ku-acting lokho vele each and every time ngiphatha ama-legend so ngisibhale noSuffocate sibhanile nomfukeni sibhanile noMenje Xotshwayo sibhanile noVusi Bunene ngisibhanile nawe yes ku-acting ngihlale ngiphethe ama-legend so I don't know whether igazi elihle or i-craft the way ngiyideliver ngakhona yes
so i-dancing how far ngayo manje
i-dancing right now nginalabantwana engibagromayo but bona they are coming so good nabantwana engibagromayo right now sihlele in a number of 30 students ngihlele in a number of 30 students so nginokuthi mangi-explainele omunye umuntu yabona ngimtshela ukuthi azi le dancing eseniyibonayo egcwele la kuma-TikTok nani akusukujayiva onga-understand umuzwa wangiphikisa from the onset athi uthini manje ngithi yazi thina besikhona ukungena ku-4-way siyishaya i-traffic imensi kuma abantu bey'moto babukele thiwe naku ukujayiva esikwazi abantu bashaya ama-flate kulahlelwa ama-10 rand ama-2 rand ama-5 rand lokhu kwakuwukujayiva sasiqeda iteki la liphuma eshop sigele stage liphuma estage lambele esho repair or later spin
so yipi irole oyi-enjoye kakhulu
irole engiyi-enjoye kakhulu honestly yaka-Trix
i-Trix kusiphi story
uTrix ngimdlale ku-The River
iprofile yakhe i-rich mos uphuma na ku-The River
kuye kwaba yini kuye kwaba yiSamsokolo kwaba yisithi sesitop lana kwaba yi-Deep City kwaba yi-Foreign Heart i-Foreign Heart it was consist of abantu base-States kwaba yi-Foreign Heart kwaba yi-Deep City kwaba yi-Gomora base kwaba yi-The River i-The River yiyo engenza ekugcineni and i-The River yile i-character engilishayile wonke umuntu omangabona isine ku-The River bathi yona kanti ukwazi ukuhlanya kangaka ngithi ngikakaboni next
so uke wanominate wawini award
kabuhlungu kamnandi kanjani 2021 Royalty Soapie Awards ngibuye nalo sephithi namanje angiliphethanga ngabe lila boyothi mawukhuluma ngithi
elali le-best actor or best supporting actor
le-best supporting actor
okay so isipano beside uMandla N usithola kanjani une-agency
i-agency right now anginayo nginabantu
nama-connection
nginabantu abaseduze nama-agents nama-agent aseduze ney'bhani so wona nokuvesana foni ate kopa usitshele usayine kuphi usayine kanjani ngithi angisayinanga ndawo why bese uya-explaina kumuntu ngithi anginikeza i-biography yalo muntu omfunayo anginikeza i-biography mfuni cala ngabona ngathi kunalele ngathi zongigoba ngivesane ngimtshele nje straight le character ngikhona ukudlala but musuyazilimita kanjani angizilimit I need to be known in this manner but not to say I'm this particular person yes
so usipalela kuphi ney'ncosi zakho
Iy'ncosi zami ngisipanela eTlakula Senior Secondary School. Masiphelele sonke wonke umuntu akhona present. Siyahluleka ukusebenzisa iklasi. Ukhumbule samapansula.
Yeah.
So kumele kujampwe, kushaywe isikero, kumele kushaye ama-8 steps, manje siyaphuma sibe se-assembly. So i-assembly yaseTlakula imnandi, thina masakhula i-assembly yaseTlakula. Yeah. Thina sakhula sasiyibiza ngemabaleni. Imnandi ngenxa yokuthi isecure amaklasi, mawuhamba ngaphandle awusiboni. So uzozwe ngomsindo nje. Yes, ngena, phuma, was, jika, was, 1, 2, 1, out.
So ama-job uyawathola for abantwana bakho?
Ama-jobs ayangena kamnandi futhi. Ama-jobs for abantwana ayangena. Currently and presently abantwana bona Friday bafuneka la e-convention center.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, kuzobe kuna something la.
Yeah, ilento ye-GFC, Gauteng Film Commission. So bona ngathi bazoba khona ku-opening ceremony.
Yeah.
Because kunomuntu ngathi bathi uyeza wakayikayi ozocula i-national anthem. So immediately after national anthem uzongena labantwana.
Okay.
Yes.
Which is good, eh?
Yeah.
Uyaphusha mos.
Yaphusha mfethu, ukuncenga mfethu.
Yeah.
Ukuncenga.
So i-vision yakho ufuna i-destination yakho ifike kuphi?
I-destination yami to see everybody succeed and abe successful. Destination yami leyo kuphela. If I can lend a helping hand to each and everyone enkhona ukumthasha enhlizweni. Baba.
Yeah.
Aziyaduma for me.
So mawukhula azange wahlangana ne-crime?
Hey. Ngama straight waleyo ndaba le crime akekho umuntu ozangadibane nayo. Angeke ngifike kule age engikuyo ngadibananga ne-crime. I-crime ngidibanile nayo yangithatha yangiphoyisa emodabi. Bathi tshele ngiyeke la ngiyeka. Yaphinda futhi yangibamba futhi. 2009. Yangibamba 2009 until 2006. NgoMay 2006 bangiyeka. Ekubeni njoba iloku engibamba so i-crime. Athi amafuku ade bekahamba nalentwana bathi uJR.
Yeah.
Le overall emhlophe.
Yeah, ngiyabona.
Bangazi kahle. Nayo ade vele athi mangibona ngo2006 wathi nangu lo mfana. Usakwazi ukwenza lento longathi njengamanje iza nabo bonke labantu bathembile. Wathi okay ngizobasusa stage ngifuna ukubona uzoyenza lento. Yazi kunalesi system. Bathi izinja zikhonkote ehambayo emile ziyayiqhamela. Mina ngambona ngathi umilo ade. Ngashaya esemdokana ngimshaya nge69. Done.
You are lyrically gifted. Eh?
That's why ngithi isicamtho into yethu. Isicamtho into yethu. I-lyrics nje that's why ngangikhona nokubancedisa ngobhala ingoma yabona.
Ubhala ingoma ezingakhe so far?
Ama-album ethu.
Ama-album
ethu.
Okay.
Mangathi ngicombine ingoma zami zingangenzela ama-album ethu 15.
Yeah.
Because ngikhona kupelepele ka-Ada. Pelepele ile ngoma le eyabonisa abantu ukujiva kwami mayivela from usayidla ka-Ada. Ngoba lapha ucala ngibonise mina angiveze as a skeleton azoveza ngathi uveza ishilo yami. And abantu abakhona ukubona bayabona mina umuntu eyiwanda. Abangakhona ukubona bathi hayi akusuwe lapha kushilo ukuthi we and akusishilo. Bafesene badima ama-light bafaka ismoke esiningi bashutha mina straight. Akusishilo le.
Ama-challenges ohlangabezane nawo mawusipana nabantu abafana nabo-Ada, so according to your journey amaphi ama-challenges?
Ma-challenges abantu banokubona useduze kwaka-Ada bazitshela ukuthi nawe lento Ada nayo nawo nayo. I was fortunate enough ukuthi u-Ada wangithatha wangifaka phansi kwekhwapha lakhe. Then qedapho wangitreat as his child. So ngothola u-Ada kayikayi uthole mina. Ngothola u-Ada kayikayi uthole mina. So bacabanga ukuthi whatever u-Ada nayo. Mangabe une-3 rand esikhwameni nami ngine-3 rand. Kanti mina nginayo 3 rand. Umuntu one-3 rand u-Ada.
Those are the challenges.
So those are the challenges. Samanye ke family matters issues yabona. Ngoba nasendlini vele masocala uvela e-TV mawuvela nangumntana wami uzongithengela wa2. So awunayo. Bese ke ama-family amanye aqala.
So where do you pay as much?
Ngi-based endlini yabazali. Abazali ngisho sebangishiya mfethu.
Oh, bakushiya abazali bakho.
Ngi-based endlini yabazali. Yes, nginendawo eKimberley Park, but kunzima ukuthi ngingaba full time eKimberley Park because le yandlu leya size siyithengisa. Idlozi le yandlu. Yeah.
Ngokuzwa kahle umntana omfana.
Hayi ukuthi yimi umntana omfana, sabafana sodwa. Mara oseka selomdala yimi.
Okay.
Oselo omdala yimi bese nginabafowethu abangilandelayo. So I need to be that side ngibe ngapha. That side, mara in most cases futhi mangena ama-jobs ngiba ngale vaya nesikolo sokujayiva singahle.
Uke wa-oversea?
Oversea ngiye endaweni ezithu ngiye Australia ngaye China. Yeah. Australia it was strictly ukujayiva. eChina bengihambiswa iCamera Works. Camera Works kafike ngashaya iCamera ure eChina.
So
uqala kwami ukubona uJet Li. So
yeah, wambona live.
So bathe ngimudla ngesikasi sami ukuthi endoda woza la ngokubambeke wa2 waloko angibhekile ndoda. Wayisha papa na hayichisa awubheka kuphela zakhuluma next.
Yeah,
angibheka nje kuphela so adala awudleka anti seriousness nabo real life ahlukana naye.
Yeah, but I think you've made it in life. Not yet.
No, not yet. Mangathi I've made it in life. Kunabantu engibafuna la eduze kwami.
Yeah.
More especially when it comes to filming. Kunabantu engibafuna la eduze kwami.
Yeah.
And ama-producer wase South Africa ayayenza lento but abayenzi according to my mind.
Yeah.
Yabona babangangenzela ifilimu eli-1 la eSouth Africa bathathe bonke abohunta.
Yeah.
Babafake ku-1 film.
Yeah.
Bonke abohunta. Khona le yase Cape Town le Focadas lehlala ku sticks.
Brendan Daniels.
Yes. Kube uwe.
Yeah.
Kube Ronnie Nyakala.
Yeah.
And rest in peace ku David Kinama.
Eish.
Hey man. This David Kinaro. Zithi le I take the kit and put it in the oven and I light it hot.
Yeah.
Uma 7 yase Natal.
Yeah.
Bafake mi.
Yeah.
Bafake uSledge.
Yeah. Bafake no Rapulani.
Bafethu. Yo ambekazocabana nami. Maqeda ubukela lento ngambalanga. Yo bekacabana nami. Badonsa uRapulani bambekela.
Yeah.
Bafethu lapho singabe senzenyile. Singayenza into engasukumisa istates basifaka istates sonke as a country basifaka amavili size la eSouth Africa because no sicela ukuthi lento le baphinde bayenze sibabheke sona abantu.
Yeah.
Yabona wonke amafilimu eSouth Africa singabane siba blame sithi South Africa ina funding right. Mina ngikhala ngaloko. Azange ngabona ifilimu elinazo zonke igebengu in one picture.
Yeah.
In one film. Abangangenzela la ide.
Yeah.
Angajabula.
Kusho ukuthi mangathola funding ungayishaya wona leyo film.
Kamnandi.
So if you have to change the industry, yini izinto ongazichange?
Ku-industry?
Yeah.
Which industry sikhuluma ngayo? Ngoba kune-acting, kune-dancing, kune-music. Sikhuluma ngayo industry.
Yonke nje overall.
Okay, ngachintsha overall mase yonke ngachintsha i-mindset yama-artist.
Yeah.
Ama-artist because omunye sesene-sunshine okwamanje esayidini lakhe unokuzibona ngathi superior kubani. Only the way to find out la afika khona manje sasilapho 2 years ago khona beka lapho 10 years ago. Into engayitshintsha number 1 nje mindset.
Yeah.
Before we can go to paperwork and everything how to put it, salary negotiations. No, ngashintsha mindset because azabanye abantu banengcindezelo. Like ehle kuyambona okay lo kashathi ngathi ukhula hlupheka and nabo banganantshayele bangamfaka yona. So sekeza nale arrogance yokuthi yena phela usuperior ngizomlimaza lo. Sengikhuluma nge1 lo ngizomlimaza lo. Athi ayenze lento yakhe ngekho ma camera siphumile la kule yard. Yalo shuthela kuye. Ayenze lento yakho sikale strategy uzombonisa ukuthi who am I.
Our young people today,
yes,
they are in the misery in terms of drugs. Ungasiza kanjani wena? What can be your advice to the youth? Or yini kumele yenzwe?
Yo,
Senza labantwana bangabhema ama drugs ngoba ngathi manje it's getting out of hand manje ngathi fashion.
Ngizocela ukuyiphendula isimina mhlambe to whoever ozoba ngizwe mhlambe kuzobe ngeroute. To advise the kids about drugs ngabe sale ngibatshela nje straight ukuthi ungayibhemi into engabhenywa kwasintsha. Ukuyibona intsha ibhema ama drugs. No. So if ida mhlambe la ukhula khona ushaya pressure ugcina uye ama drugs, that means you are taking your life straight to the drain. Then on me, if I was government or naleyo power yokuceda ama drugs, beyodila nabo labantu abathengisa ama drugs. Yawo labo bathengisa ngoba wasitokile. Ngifuna labo abawa manufacture. Angadila nabo according. Abantwana babo mangabasela emhlabeni uzobathatha ngiba adopt. Labo ngadila nabo according because into ezoba ngathi iyabheda la. Yimi ungithola ngimekhoneni ngithengisela wena into yokubhema. Wena la uyobhema khona kunomntana kaSibalabala okubhekile. Angeke aze kuwe ngoba uhroti ukuthi awungibhemisi. Kodwa naye uzofuna ukwazi ukuthi imali lento le uyithengela kimi. Sekayeza ngakusasa mina ngifuna imali naye ngiyamnika. So umuntu oyiproblem la yimi. Akusuke mina on the surface. Akusuke mina on the surface because I'm busy killing the nation. So to advise these kids about drugs, yes, you can advise them, but what are you saying? You can force the horse into the sea, but you can't force the horse to drink the water. Uzoba advise kuyongena ngapha kuphume ngapha because bashawa peer pressure bakumisery eningi ngapha izinto eziningi ziku social media manje. Ubona ubani impisane uhlala kwenye indlu ye17 million uthi yona ngiyala kodwa uya on a wrong direction uyiqala ngale ma drugs ofuna ukuyicover up. Ma drugs ayoceda ifuba zakhe lezi ezingekho kumanje. Umuntu khona mangomshanga impama la efubeni angahlala ICU 3 weeks. Umbambe nje ngesiqimo esiqinile la esifubeni ICU 3 weeks kube ngasobulela umuntu kanti ayela ma drugs beka wabheka.
Yeah. So more prepare wena for your character or prepare kanjani?
Ngayithatha leyo mbuzo ngubisele kuwe ngathi mina ngicela uqale unginike character.
Oh yeah.
Nginike character kuqala in order for me to prepare myself according to the character. Yes. So masonginikele i-biography ne-breakdown yaleyo character, I can fix myself in order ukuthi ngideliver and superb performance for you in order ukuthi nakusasa mawufuna omunye umuntu wazi ukuthi azini bafethu. Sifuna ubani, sifuna uNyahubu, sifuna ubani, sifuna uScotland, sifuna iHobo, sifuna uTsotsi, sifuna uTaxi driver. Umuntu okhonayo kulimele i-character engimazi go. Yes.
How do you save money?
How do I save money?
What do you do with the money?
I help those who are less fortunate.
Who are less fortunate?
Yeah, who are less fortunate because as far as I help those who are less fortunate. Ukusave asithi ngiphethe 10 rand. U10 rand ngasave 1 rand. I2 rand ngiyazi ngizoyinika uma orange, 2 rand ngiyonika uspikiri, 2 rand ngiyonikeza ubani bani. In order ukuthi ngalelanga kuyitso imbuke ngakhona. Ngizothi orange mfethu ngifuna ukujika la. Orange ngingazange ngivimbe. Yothi mfethu nama nginazi into but ba jika la. Wena mawumnanda ungikhohle. Bese on that mistake ukuthi help abantu khona abantu abahlale bakuhelpa wena mawuphethe leyo 10 rand hayi ukuthi uyabakhohlwa. Ubhekela abantu abangena next laba bangaphansi kwakho ukhohlwe laba abaphezulu laba bakuhelpa wena. Bese laba abaphezulu laba bahelpa wena babone ngathi wena ubavalela ngaphandle kanti abavalelanga ngaphandle bo helpa laba laphansi ukuthi nani sukumani. That's why in my statement ngiye ngathi mangabuye wangizwa kahle, it's kind of like plowing back to the community. I-success yami izo determine ngabantu engibanikeze isandla ngabanceda. Thank you.
Hayi ngikuzwa kahle. So kunamantwana manje ba interested in dancing, ba interested in acting, in singing. Yini advice yakho kubo abantwana abanjalo abafuna ukufana nathi in future? Yini kumele bayenze mawukhaba ukuze bafike la kufikwa khona?
I think i-answer yami izoba yinde lana. nokuthi mangenza ama-motivational speaker, ngiba i-motivational speaker ey'kolweni kayi nalapha emafemini nani nani. Nokuthi mangi-advise abantu mangenza leyo motivational speaking ngithi kubo, guys, stick to what you are good at. Angiyasi-acte sonke. Ngiyasi-acte sonke.
What if uphiwe ujack of all trade?
Jack of all trade, get one thing that you are good at. Before we're jack of all trade, get one thing that you are good at ezokwenza ukuthi ubranche njengesihlahla. Isihlahla siphuma ngama-roots anabile, sibe istem esi-1 esifike ngaphezulu, siba ama-leaves athela. Uzokwazi hlala kule nto le oyaziyo kahle in order ukuthi leyo nto leyo izokuvulela eminye iminyango.
Ozokwazi ukungena kule.
Ozokhona ukungena kwenye iminyango. Then coming back again, trying to advise them. Guys, don't listen to the noise of the world. World is consists of too many things. Yeah, don't listen to the noise of the world. Listen to your inner self. Talk to yourself before you can talk to others. Because we have to English iyedribulana sometimes. Le English ela engqondweni nale ngaphuma la emlomeni. Yo. Wofuna ukuthi how are you? Good day and how are you? Mamela iphume la.
My problem.
Ihlabara clean straight. Umrobhoza yomunye umchino othunga ngamahara green na pink ubona yo. Lento le uyikhulumela engqondweni yakhe beyisounda. Mara the mamela iphume kuma lips. Yo. Bese uthola thina sikhona ukucover i-situation. Sithi George was never black.
Yeah.
George was never black. Sithule sikubheke ebusweni.
Let's talk about you are now a brand now.
Yes.
How are you going to use your brand?
To inspire others.
To inspire others.
To inspire others and to try and move away as much as possible to each and every negativity. Because as mawuqala uba i-brand ke. Ngenze example. Manje ngiyasukuma nawe la siyaphuma siye taxi rank. Isikhathi sithi 6 to 7 eChambersini.
Yeah.
Do you know ukuthi kuye kwethe taxi rank esibuye? Kuningi ekuzoyenzakala estradini. Only way to find out lokho kuzoyenzakala estradini kungadenta i-brand yakho, kungadenta i-brand yami. Bese from the perspective of those who wanna give us work. Sebaba nenye ideology ukuthi la ngathi sobe sithinte abangathintwa. Sizothatha yonke le problem sifake la. So to capture your brand and to market your brand and to monitor your brand and to grow your brand, try to move away as much as possible kuma negativity. Not to say was isolate ebantwini, but try to move away. In most cases, try to be alone. Nalo muntu ohlala ucoca naye, ihlale kumnandi because amalanga awafani. Mawumuzwa ukuthi lo muntu lo ngathi simaye sekayacala ubrecha to the left sekaba uRihanna la kuwe. Sukuma ngathi ushaya 16, tathi ushaya 16 la. Gone. Ngoba uyambona manje sekalahla timing manje. And then uzothi 1 ngithi 13, umuntu uzogcina wrong yimi.
Why destination yama-actor amaningi or abantu abaku-industry kuba yi-overseas? Mawuphume e-America or awuqala la ekhaya mawungaya e-Hollywood it's like it's a destination.
Ngiphendula according to me. I-overseas ibhadala better than South Africa. Ngiphendula according to me.
Yeah.
I-overseas ibhadala better than South Africa. 1, 2. The overseas is full South Africa for raw talent. So it's easy for me now to gig estates. Only way to find out little gig in the States is on patala 10 times better than South Africa. In South Africa, snalendektiwa, backstepping, bad mouthing. Yabo. Mango phone ela ngithenga zokunikeza 17k. Mawufika ngiyabheka ngiyakala. Seku-11. Angakhuluma from 17 ngokukala so seku-11. Mangikala ngikhuluma seku-7. That's the thing ebulala i-industry in most cases. So yes, nami ngumuntu ozifuna States. Mina self ngizifuna States. but angifuni ukuya States ingaka accumulate or ingaka accomplish lento engiyifunayo. Mangabona lento engiyifunayo according to my mind, my vision. Mangathola ifilimu eliyi-1 lina every sort. Nalaba bahlala ba-actor babo, umamfundisi, abomama bezindlu, nabo bakhona lapho kulelo filimu. Yiyo abantu abazohlukumezwa. And not to say it's promoting crime, no. Yiyo abantu abazohlukumezwa. Nazo legebengu zizocabana zizonke ekugcineni, kuchayisana amakhanda.
Ekugcineni crime doesn't pay.
Yes, ekugcineni asho kuprove lento leyo ukuthi crime doesn't pay. Ekugcineni it's either uzotrap umhlaba ngeyifuba, culwa amagugu alelizwe, phele ngawo. So that's the perspective of the driver according to the film of the shoot. What crime doesn't pay. No matter you can have 18 guns, 45 rockets, kuyafana.
So manje usipana kuphi manje?
Manje ngiphila ngama appearance. Ngizenzela ama gigs wami amancane. Ngikhuluma nama-funders akhonayo ukungifanda, uyafanda, ongakhona ukufanda, asafuna ukulungisa ikhampani yakhe according to i-answer anginikeza yona, ngimamela yena. Into engiphila ngayo manje bese kuba lento yama-audition.
Okay.
Yes.
How do you feel about ama-audition?
Quite frankly and straightforward, I get pissed. Yeah, I get pissed. Ngoba lapha uyoma nomunye umuntu ku-queue 1200. Lo muntu omenayo lapha ngicela uyikhuluma isimina tu. Yeah. Lo muntu omenayo lapha unuka intelezi, uze vele athwele lento zakubo zonke, uyibona kahle ukuthi hayi uyothi mafika ikamereni ikhamera uyibheke yona eyi-1. Only way to find out the craft yakhe ayikakasharpnishi. It's all about the craft, it's about the talent. Yeah. Sule sikubukela awenze lento yakho uyenze ubaphandle lapho amakhamera ajema yenzeni bawalungisa abuye akushuthe futhi amakhamera. Sifike sami isikhathi ubeze bashaya izandla. Ubone ngathi kahle ku-wrong. Lento uyisebenzisa isebenzi kanti it's all about the talent. It's all about the talent. Camera won't lie. Camera izoshutha lento oyikhulumayo. So if either you were never good enough for the character auditionayo, mina ngangena ngalenza better than wena, obviously abanikazi be-production bazobiza mina.
Ngiyakuzwa. So yini fear onayo?
Ifear enginayo empilweni ukuluza everything, noma enye fear enginayo ukwenzela izeleze like ngenze marabonakala.
That's the only fear.
Yeah, fana ukuthi uyokha amanzi ngebhakede mara linembobo lokuthi azogcwala ayangena ngapha yaphuma ngale nzansi. That's my fear. That's my fear.
Okay.
Otherwise ukuthi sihambe la ebusuku kwenze hayi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I came across the social media ngiyabona kwamanye ama-province. I think I saw the funeral. Ngathi baba ngcwaba out benenombolo. Yaphakamiswa ngathi i-fashion. What's your take on that? Ngendaba zenombolo.
That's why njalo mphela wathi ngicela ukuphendula kumina.
Yeah.
Mina mawuzongitshela inombolo hlelela ngiyakhuza sisuke ebhandeni. Wo. Hayi manje ngiyakutshela wosh elanda mzuzu ke mamela la. Lo mzuzu wakho awuthathe emva komdiyadiya ugwajile. Azongipha phela. Wawufumbatha lemva komdiyadiya manje nje la sikho kule ndaba zenzo asike station lana awume kancane ngenombolo zakho. Awume nje kancane. Mangabe umuntu ohlakaniphile uzongizwa. Bese ngizomthola khona sesela ngaphandle mara sesi2. Ngimehlisele yonke inombolo yakhe eqeda bo ngemtshela ukuthi akusinto ongayisabelo la eAfrika le. Uyazi isebenza apha yonke. Yena mangabe uyangizwa nhlakaniphile uzongizwa mara maye bese ngifuna ukufundisa abakawani. Ngithi hayi ukuthi wonke umuntu wakawani. Khona abahlakaniphi udlula thina. Hayi ukuthi wonke umuntu wakawani.
Hayi ukuthi mama nalento. Uhlakaniphi umdlula
usuperior. No. Hlalile estubhini asinayo inombolo singakhumula sibe kala nginanestukane si1 uzibuza ukuthi kanjani uzubika ukuthi umuntu ahlala ngestubhini bese kuvela iphoyisa bele ngigade ora ngivela adayi lobe ngimgade.
Angithi kuna believe ukuthi mawuphuma edanyani mawuye edanyani wonke umuntu edanyani ufika athathe inombolo. uyithintile manje ukuthi upantitile mara awunastuka wenze kanjani
efethu umele isitori sakho ya umele isitori sakho
ya
idanyana mangabe kumele livulwe ngo1 ebusuku lizovulwa akunazi ukuthi sikhiya sePitori
ya
idanyana mangabe livulwe ngo1 ebusuku lizovulwa
ya
qaphula itsotsi ubuhlathi
ya
babona igazi ligcwala libone uyitshela ude baba mamela la ngiboshelanga wena la khipha ikhadi lakho libekela ngibekelami udabheka ungene nangeschedule 1 50 crime pavement roof mangikhiphela ngilibeka la nawe uyabona yo this one is the Khamos kanti mangadibana nalo lapha estradini angangidla ngamazinyo
as advice ama-act abase-industry nabantu abahola for the first time bese sebaya overspenda bagijimela impilo ephezulu bese down the line they lose everything because angithi imali yethu is not guaranteed.
Yeah.
Asihole every month. Asina home loan, asina car, what, asina ma-benefit wabantu abasebenzayo.
Yeah. Akuna third party alana, akuna yini bathini ikhadi labo doctor leli. Alikho
medical aid.
Ayikho la. So mangathi ngi-advisor bona ngaba advisor on my own ngathi kubo bafethu sayivani ngayo yonke indlela uku-overspenda mfethu iHennessy yakho lo igijimisile ayifiki ngoba yabheka leyo Hennessy ka 18 bani that means sazoba khona noma sowushonile so ngicela usave inyuku spend inyuku ngendlela egrand because overspenda kwakho kuzokukhawathisa labantu abakubukela eTV lawo bozama ukuba impressa bebangekho wena mose bumnyameni sebayakubona manje ngoba usescreenini but the time usebumnyameni bebangekho labantu so bathengele lokho ungablomi nabo uchief so wabathengela wabloma nabo nahlala naye bayi crew 1 they will degrade you in that split seconds they will degrade you kabuhlungu kabi futhi they will take you here and put it here manje not next week yes
no ngiyakuzwa mfoka baba man asibonge
mfowethu man
last message to the youth angithi uyabona i-country ethi njani manje sibona inkinga eziningi okay asisho ukuthi thina si-perfect nathi singabantwana sizenzile zonke izinto but as a leadership for mina you sound like a leader so yini okumele bayenze youth
ngicela ukuza nayo from my angle or from my perspective of experience ungalandeli abangani bakho ukuthi umngani wakho uyaloya ngehuva ugibele ebusuku idume phezulu no umngani wakho ugude kuloyini wena thola lento good kuyo focus on what you are good at it will pay eventually it will pay noma ngathi bayenzeni bangafunga bayenzeni bahambe baye emntwini ongaboni wakayi okusalayo izobhadala focus on what you are good at then straight to the youth bafethu yo bona le youth ngizoyibiza bafowethu bafethu please man focus on your books to the girl side 7 P's books before boys because boys bring babies to the girls to the boys machita ayifiki ayifikiyo bikhona yahlula ama-time awethu thina besiyini
I know yakuzwa
yahlula ama-time awethu bathi bathatha umphawu thina besiyini nokuthola izinja zibophele ebusuku lapha ekuseni ushaye ngesitina zibophele besiyini so lento ukuthi uzophakamisa isandla for intombazane wo mayibona ngathi yona seyisuperior ndawo okay girl hambe grand hayi ngoba siyamajita sekhawathe asinama rice angisho ukuthi cherry banama rice banama testic nama favorite friend ama rice wabo lawo siyamajita sinama rice if you don't man up right now you are in deep trouble ngobona sewakunyatsa ngathi yakudelela wenzani raise your hands and move out abakwazi ukukhuluma bathi ungasinyele isihlahla yena lo muntu bekakudegrade awumphakamisela izandla uzomthola sema ngelinye ilanga sekafuna ihelp yakho sekuya ngenhliziyo yakho ukuthi inhliziyo yakho imnene kangakanani na ukuthi ungamhelpa or uvesana nawe ugoqa izandla umbukele. Uthi ayikhumbula shothi la enhlizweni kuwe nala enqinweni uyakhumbula ungezandla namhlanje ufuna help ephuma kini. Mama inhliziyo yakho imnene uzomhelp. Mawuceda ukumhelp umkhipha kule amasimba akho akuwo ceda kumphushelela ukuthi ayihamba. Yena sekazodliwa unembeza ngaphakathi. Guilty conscious yakhe ukuthi fuck lo muntu lo ngammosha 1 2 3 and 4 mara bheka namhlanje umncedile. Yeah, to girls books before boys because boys bring babies to the guys ebafethu mayenza into ezozisola ngayo ngakusasa. Ngoba wangena eModapi, wangena eSun City, iyo wangena eBavian, wangena kwaMasha. Phelile ngawo. Cabanga ngimanje njengoba ngingaka manje. Baba ngathi 25. Ngokuya sengithi umntana ngiyakupension angina fokol.
Ufana sezola.
Mfowethu man.
Ngikuzwa kahle.
Mfowethu man.
Kunale stigma lesithanda ukusebenzisa sina singamajide mina ngiphume ezola. Mina ngiphume eAlexandra enaka Xhasosha.
Uyazikhawaza. Yeah, phuma ezola uphuma eAlexandra uphuma kayikai la uphuma khona but kuwe ngaphakathi. Don't cough it out. Don't cough it out. Because you are not aware of the ears. Some are listening to you in a positive manner. Some are listening to you with this one will take him down. Yes, angaba overprotected, bangade but sizoyithola with boy yakhe. Sizoshaya la wikhona. And uzogoba vele.
So ungasebenzisi ukuthi mina ngiphuma kuphi mina ngiphuma kuphi.
No. Kuno Patrice Msipe umuntu ogoba Patrice Msipe uRobert Gumede kuno Robert Gumede umuntu ogoba uRobert Gumede uNapoleon yabona abantu bayenzani bayangama level so uma uphuma ezola indaba ufuna ukutshela ukuthi umuntu wase Dipslot kumele kusala uma uphuma eGomora ufuna ukutshela ukuthi osethembisa kumele kusala into engasiza as a nation as a whole masingahloniphana phenduka ibhara kabo Barakalo
yeah
phenduka ibhara
yeah
ceda lapho ke kube khona lento eyi tip of the iceberg yazi uNkulunkulu ngoba wakwazi useyibhilini sikanyoko yazi uNkulunkulu umhlakanipha komuntu kusaba uJehova nokuthi usabe mina kusaba uJehova mina nje ngicela inhlonipho nami ngizokuhlonipha done.
How can you change the country?
Change the country. Ay, kale siskipe yo. Ay, lecture siskipe. Iyo khawatha le. Lezo khawatha le bakathi understand. Bakathi ngiyansara lezo khawatha. Kunabantu abaningi abaku leadership ye country abanginike imisebenzi.
Yeah.
Yabona. So now I need to look after my pocket, look after my mental capacity yabona. But ziningi izinto kumele zichinjwe in order ukuthi country ibe ne developing emnandi.
Yeah.
Ngasho kanjalo angifuni ukwenza ama name shaming or ama name dropping no. Ziningi izinto kumele zichinjwe nje ziningi. Nalento yokuthi kuzogcwala abongarile ngapha abangapha bangasebenze enye into ibe disturbance leyo. And maso uyiveza kanje kuba ngathi wena uxenophobic and awukho xenophobic. You are stating the fact as you see. Yeah. Mawuqala realistic azi bathini ngase ufuna ukusecure. Hayi mara wena kweli negativity ngithi angikho negative I'm realistic. Abongarile from dom A to standard 10 bona bafundiswe ipractical. Thina la eSouth Africa bakufundisa ngentethe. Ungayivula i-textbook yaka grade bani kunentethe. Izokwenzelani intethe kule mpilo esiphilayo? Do you need a locust to survive? No, you don't need a locust. So I think the syllabus education now needs to be changed in a way. Needs to be changed. For skills development. Kunokuthi kwenziwe le skills development bafuna umntana wakho sekafeyile kayi14 bathi makamba yongena eAbet makafika lapho ungena vele ustabona ubhema insango ubhema ugwayi ubona ithemba lakhe liphula ibhodlela lebhiya kakhulu naye ufika ufundisa labantu lapha eklasini abasa focus kumema nale ndaba ezile la. So mama ungaba bathi sigotshwa semanzi bangafundiswa basesebancane labantwana ngaba-grade bese kulabo ama-drugs ba-chance phumani like please phumani lapho ngiyanicela phumani nabo cherry mhlawumbe ngirong uma ngithi ma-chance ngoba kunabo cherry bayibhemayo le nto
babhema i-crystal meth yo I think ifamily ine-edit
yo ekhaya bangakushaba fulani ekhaya nangibhebhe yimi ngabhema ngayeka
mfowethu
Brian
uthole kanjani amandla wokuyeka wena
ngabe sengibonga isituphu
ngoba bathi akuyekeki
unamanga uthabekile unamanga
ngokuyayekeka
yayekeka le nto mina ngabonga isituphu mina ngangena esitubhini ngathi mangiphuma esitubhini bengasayingeni yonke le nto bekuthuka bo-achoose basimile zonke so banocawu ngithi ngiyabuya thina sayibhema lokhu ayisaphulwa ngebhodlela hayi leya manje ifika seyiyiphawuda leya manje yo thina into eyayiza iyiphawuda kwakuyikhepsuli kuphela lethi beyifika vele iyipilisi so uziphulele yona leya manje ifika iyiphawuda uyabona no isikhathi sambili umthime umashile kanje lasiyakhawathi
yini ama-dangers wokunkawuza
ama-dangers okunkawuza ugcina ubona everything ngathi lahlile ekubeni azilahlanga kanti olahlile uwe danger yokubhema ubona ngathi everything ilahlile yabona njengamanje yambona loya cameraman ayi no azini ngoke nebhande elihle yabona uphuma la mshana eGrabsen Dashuka mina vele nyala kuye ngeGrabsen Dashuka ngiyamazi lo muntu lo uFile mangithatha ukudress mangiphendula phula lenhloko enkulu shaya isabalala uqhitheka ama-popcorn duma amabhasi ejaridini phelele ukuklefa nawe sekululele estradini ukuklefa
okusho ukuthi bacabanga ukuthi yonke into ilahlile
bacabanga ukuthi yonke into ilahlile angisho manje uyibona manje ucabanga manje
uyolahlile
kanti ulahle wena kanti ulahle wena uzozisola khe uzozisola khe unenhlanhla uma usazisola ngesikhiya esijaya indoma evala ngo4 shayela
guy platform manje opportunity to thank whoever you want to thank in life okusizile in your career abantu abagaye isipane abantu abaconnectile abantu abadlale irole empilweni yakho
owaningi mfethu mara ngizozama ukuba name abo Joe Shirimani Adama Fukade Jamela Vuma Mandla Ngcongwane Israel Maseke Zulu bebaningi Yvonne Chaka Lucas Khadebe Brian Baloyi phezu kwalabantu abayi-8 kunabantu abayi-2 baqalayo my mom and my dad
it's very important ukubonga
ngiyanibonga bafethu nginje kungenxa yawo lastly kunenye out ephethe amaphoyisa la esentini ebathi uDavid Muthapo mina ngihlala ngemtshitshi igama sometimes ngibiza ngo-advocate sometimes ngibiza ngophoyisa sometimes Brian aliya tsotsi le outlayer engivelele endleleni eziningi ngivelele ngendawo eziningi la khona ngisema simbe noma impela ngithi bangithi asana show up ke I show up
and then kuma prison water ayike prison water eke motivator in terms of rehabilitation
igama lakhe ukuthi angilazi straight mara eSun City sasimbiza ngo-breaks eSun City sasimbiza ngo-breaks lela prison water kwakuwumuntu uyaba kuwumuntu vele nobe uma ukuthola uyisiboshwa ngathi uyalahla i-timing acale akuyeke mangathi ama-prison water ayagcwalela afuna ukubamba ngedonki pier bathatha bakulahlele khulu ukuthi bathola kubukela azokulanda 1 on 1 ade mfethu yabhema wathi yabhema nyabuka lo muntu akabhembe akubuyele nogwayi baba kwayafuneki la uthathe ulight asho ngiyakhe yokuthi ayisanita azophuma la kuyi yo kushawe namahloni cabanga ulahla lo yagwayi utsephe manje into ezophuma la kuyi umuntu owakhanayo phela ku-prison water engilaziyo mina elakhe lakhuluma nami ngayizwa into engiyikhulumayo hayi laba abanye zocela ungakhulumi ngikhuluma nangabo ngoba vele yila bathi ngena siboshwa phuma siboshwa omunye uzumtshela dazi ngizophuma la athi uboshwe kangaka ngiyophume la cabanga ukuthi yena sekaNkulunkulu ngale langa ezothi sewuphumile utshintshe surface akasahlala la kahlala khona hlala kwenye indawo ngoba uyayazi into beka iyenza eziboshweni ezisaboshiwe iboshwe. That's why sikatshintsha. Yamazi umuntu angahlala la 15. Sengiphumile manje akasekho la 15 nale ndaba ukuthi siyathengiswa. Uthi ayilandelela information yakho awuhlala enkomponi yasejele. Asho kunezinto kulabo komponi bakhona. Siyahlala lapho vele. Yabo phela kanye ngifike mara sizodibana. And for sure sizodibana umhlaba mncane kwange palm of my hand. Sizodibana vele. Sizodibana. Ilanga mhlambe Southgate or la Africa Mall or Eastgate sizodibana. Khona sekudibana nabo ngidibana nabo batshintsha indlela ngandaba nayo. Vele abangaziyo vele fanele besingahluphani nabo. Abangibona bathi Ntwanasi you've made your mark. Ukhumbule estupini khona into bekuthiwa i-round call. It might roll call ukhumbula akuna sound. Ushaya lamathenga yakhe awusuka ngomdanso. Amanye amawada bawangithandela la ile. Awusuka ngomdanso kabuhlungayo. Shaya amaflate ngo-2 iphelile i-roll call. Sesibalelwa sonke sicedile sesibuyele emaseleni phaka Joey phakathi emaseleni done phelile lapho.
Asibonge mfethu
Brian,
let's save time. Kuningi okumele sikwenze emhlabeni.
kuningi.
Yeah, mara we really appreciate your presence. Your presence is appreciated. It's very important. Ngiyathemba bafundile bayafunda abantu ngayo yonke into esiyikhulumayo.
Yakho.
Yeah, siyakha abantu ukuthi we are about it.
Kahle sifundise siyaphasisa.
Yeah.
Yasifundisa.
Abanamehlo bayabona. Abanendlebe bayezwa. Abanomqondo bayajula.
Bayawazi ukujula. Babale manje.
Baba calculate ukuthi impilo iso. Angithi babukela kithi. We are their inspirations, the role models. So it's very important ukuthi sibabonise indlela ibuzwa ngoba phambili.
That's true.
Thank you. Salute. Gato Professor.
Jovich.
Sikhathi sishwabene sidliwa amatariyali. Insari yakufamba nje. Thank you baba.
Awe. Thank you.